Kembali ya pi iway pa iway. Ko perlok kini kisngi ki banwan kampun sin ki por kiang buat ka por telang jubun bahai ki jing kentiu kurim kam tame ke jing kentiu kurim samla pat ngakwa banwara pi ya ke jing hikai niam jong kapalang Katolik ane parengyong Catechism of the Catholic Church ka nomor arhajar laispa sanpau ongkumne hakapareng. Those who are engaged to marry are called to live chastity in continence. They should see in this time of testing a discovery of mutual respect, our apprenticeship in fidelity, and balai, the hope of receiving one another from God. They should reserve for marriage the expressions of affection that belong to married love. They will help each other grow in chastity. Kani ka jing pen kre lene ong engagement lene ka jing ate ktien shwa ka jing athok kentiu kurim samla. Hakane kapor ong kane ka kwa jing kainiam ba ngin ri ya kane ka jing khuj shong kha shong man da ka baken dia na kitu ki jing le i ka baya day tang hapdeng kitu ki balak sim ya ka sakramen jing kentu kurim ong kane ka Catechism of the Catholic Church. But hakane ka rukom kane kapor kadi kapor jong ka jing tenju ong kane a time of testing tinju nakapan takae discovery of mutual respect kajing shem jong kajing ya burom markeliang kapaar apprenticeship in fidelity kajing hikai banlong kibayaine bat kibam shet kala hadin habut bat bakinam da mut ban nomdon ban yo jingkai ban don hadin ya kajing ya set kala iwe kepat kabalai kajing kermen ban yo priang iwe pat na ublei de kane kede na ka Catechism of the Catholic Church ringa kot niam Catholic nomor arhajar laispa sanpau but hakung ke nikapor kide banyarap markeliang ban he ban san haga jinglong khuj haga onot ka met ru kumju to kane kan yarap yapi ban yo ya kane sakramen haga jing khuj